Inception Bird time 6744. Dice roll. We are going 8 times on the dice. Letters first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 here, 8 here. L up top. OP at the bottom. And I am going 8 times on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 here. 8 here. Dan up top. David Brentar at the bottom. The Inception Bird. Let's sort them out. 6744. There's your letters. Good luck. Here we go. What's up, Matty? How you doing, brother? And guys, I'm going to put up that Tuesday special motif select gold standard FOTL. That's going to hit the screen next. There's 3 left in the chatter. And grab your spots in that Tuesday special. It's a loaded mixer break. I'm going to do my damnedest. We're going to get that break off tonight. And good luck, the Inception Bird. Appreciate you letting me borrow those cases, Matty. Got them in my car. Hopefully, it's a good show on Sunday. Starting off for the J-Spot, Jackson, Smith, and Jigba. Trevor, Etienne. Will Rogers. Tyler Van Dyke. I think we got a red auto. Are those to 5? Goodness gracious, sure is. Will Rogers to 99 for the W spot. We do have an autograph numbered to 5 here. For the T spots, Ty Simpson, 3 out of 5 on the red auto. Going to Chuck Iverson. And that T spots, Ty Simpson to 5. And Nolan Smith on our other auto for the N spots. Going to Austin Griswold. Again, a quick recap here. Tyler Van Dyke, Will Rogers, Trevor Etienne, JSN, Nolan Smith, Ty Simpson, 3 out of 5 on the red auto, and Will Rogers to 99. Inception Bird in the box, and that is the break, everybody. Appreciate the fill. Here's where we're at on the main.